Genesis chapter 1, verse 5. God said, "Day and night we name you. Night passed, day returned. The cycle begins." Day 1. Welcome back to Mr. News Art class. It's wonderful to see your smiling faces today. This Inktober, I'm illustrating the book of Genesis. My illustration for verse 5 shows God separating day and night and the ending of the first day of creation. And that's my rendition of God divided the light from the darkness, finishing the first day of creation. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. Give the video a thumbs up or down to let me know if you like it or not. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. And have a blessed day.